You are attending computer coding class. Please like and subscribe my channel.
Welcome. Today we will learn how to scrape Facebook page info using Selenium and Beautiful Soup. Here there is no need of any Facebook login. You just know the name of Facebook page. You can scrape any Facebook page. Here I am using three library packages: Selenium, Beautiful Soup and Time. I have already installed all these packages. You must also have Chrome web browser in your computer system for Chrome driver. Here I am using Anaconda Spider Agent IDE. Let's start coding. First of all, we will import all the necessary packages. Here first of all, we are importing Beautiful Soup. Next we will import WebDriver class from Selenium package, and then we will import Time package. Next we will specify the path of Chrome driver. If you have Chrome web browser in your system, then you also have Chrome driver installed in your system. Just find out the path and then specify here. Mostly it is found in C drive and then program files folder. Next we will create an empty dictionary. The name of dictionary is DICT. Next we will ask for the Facebook page name from the user by using input function, and that page name is stored in a string named page. Next we will create the full path of our Facebook page. Next we will create the object of Chrome driver and pass the path of Chrome driver agent parameter in WebDriver class. Next we will send the URL of Facebook page to Chrome driver, and then Chrome driver read the source code of Facebook page. Next we will insert 5-second delay so that properly Facebook page is scraped. Next we will read Facebook page source code and then store that source code to variable RESP. At last we will close the Selenium web driver. Now we have scraped the page source. Next we will extract our desired information from page source. For this operation we will use Beautiful Soup package. Here we are using HTML parser for parsing our page source. Here parsed data is stored in a variable soup. Here we will scrape Facebook page address, phone number and email address. Facebook was written in React.js. When you open Facebook page source, you will get everything written in special characters. Directly you cannot extract any information. For scraping address, phone number and email address, we need some special codes. I posted these codes in my blog. The name of blog is computercodingclass.blogspot.com. So next we will open my blog computercodingclass.blogspot.com. Next we will open post whose title is Facebook code to scrape Facebook page info. Next copy codes given in this post. Next come back to our program. Now we will scrape our desired information by using these codes. So for this we will use find all function. In this function, first of all, we will search div tag. In div tag, we will search class tag. In class tag, we will search the tags which we copied from blog. We just paste those codes here. Next, we will print our script details. Next, I will run this program and show you which details we will get till now. If you know Facebook page name, then directly you can write. But if you don't know exact page name, then you can search that page in Facebook app. Here I am searching the page of famous Bhojpuri actress Chandni Priya Baraik. This is the Facebook page. Next, we will copy Facebook page name. Next, we will run the program. In output window, it is asking for page name. Here, we just paste the page name. In output window, it is showing some warnings. This is because I am using old version of Selenium, but that will not affect your output. Next, Chrome automated system will load our Facebook page and our system will scrape the page source code. There is no need of any login here. It is showing the Facebook page for some seconds. After some seconds, Chrome will disappear and show the output. Still, it is showing our result in generalized form. Next, we will have to scrape specific information from this data. For specific information, we will search some special characters. Next, by using for loop, we will read each word of the details one by one, and if any word has more than 2 commas, it means that word is the address of Facebook page. We will add that word in our dictionary as an address. Here I am using try block for inserting data in dictionary. If there is no word that has more than 2 commas, then it will go to accept block and add none as a address in dictionary. Next, again we will read each word of the details by using for loop, and if any word has more than 2 digits, then it means that word has the phone number of the Facebook page. We will add that word as a phone number in our dictionary. If there is no word that has more than 2 digits, then we will insert none as a phone number in dictionary and continue the program. Next, we will search at the rate of in each word. If any word has at the rate of, it means that word has email address of Facebook page. So next, in try block, we will add that word as a email in our dictionary. If no word has at the rate of, then we will insert none as a email in accept block and continue the program. Now we have scraped all our desired information. Next, we will print this dictionary we have completed the program. Before running the program, I am again copying the Facebook page name of Chandni Priya Barai. Now run the program. In output window, it is asking for page name. I am inserting Chandni Priya Barai 21 as a page name. Here you can write any Facebook page name and it will display the desired information, but there is a condition. It can display desired information only that if the owner of that page specified the phone number, email and address on his page. This program will take some time because we have inserted 5-second delay. Now in output window, you can see the address and email of Chandni. It is not showing phone number because the owner did not specify it. Now we are ending this tutorial for today. Thank you.